Mama, can you hear me? Papa, can you hear me? Mama, can you hear me? Debbie, can you hear me?
Mom.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. Got my drop top ready to roll. Hello, it's time to wake up. Time to rise and shine. Stretch your fingers, stretch your toes, all the way up to your nose. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stretch your fingers down to your toes, all the way back up to your nose. Let's go. Let's go. No? Or yes? No? Or yes? The bus will be here beeping its horn. Let's get them moving now and no. I know we got to go. Got to go. Got to go. Got to go.